So Reflections, we back. This is the harvest from the front. You know, nothing too shabby. I'm happy with it. Now remember, I put wood chips in here. We finna see how this working right here. Remember, this probably won't give nothing. You never know. I think this lime vine is more like an ornamental, but we finna find out. And then we have more Beauregards over here on this side. So first we're gonna pull up this lime. Ooh! Ooh!
I told you. Ornament my bed.
Now, you remember I told y'all in one of my videos, 70-30 chance of this producing tubers, sweet potato tubers. And y'all look, y'all.
I want to taste them so bad. They're pretty.
Oh yeah. Lime sweet potato vine. Look how they look. They look like that Korean sweet potato. And they more circle. Now mind you, I say the roots of these morning glory bindweed vines, which is sweet potatoes, they only swell up like this to store energy for the actual vine. So this what's going. This how that's looking. Let's dig around up in now. Kind of wrapped up in my. Oh, this look like it's all this shot for us. That's something from it, babe. Oh, I'm laying down there. That look like a Beauregard. Up in that vine right there. Look at that coming right here. It's a lot growing, Reflections. So I'm gonna pull this vine right here. That's all it's giving us right here. I'm gonna pull this out. I'm just gonna dig up in there. Oh man.
It's down there.
Some more of them lime vines, they deep down in there, so they'll go deep. And it was mostly wood chips. I put this much soil in here, people. From here on down is wood chips, like straight wood chips from back here. Ah, that motherfucker look like a white flesh. Might be vine. Let me show y'all that. Might be lime. That's like a white meat in the white flesh. Sweet potato. That lime taste. And that's why I broke it. Now we got some Beauregards. Dig up under these.
Probably should have had a tarp.
Put that some of that stuff on.
Yeah. That's gonna be a lot better than that.
That came from that one vine that was right there. It ain't give us no more. But the vines way down there, though. Like they way down there. I want to pull something out of that out.
Do you have a tarp in the garage?
Let me pull this off. It broke off right here anyway. One minute reflections. Family. Now I'm gonna take some of this soil out, put it in there. On top of this.
That's good and dark too.
They were trying to work miracles. That's coming from that Beauregard. So I'm gonna pull this vine. Sorry, ladybug.
Okay. Dump the dirt out. Oh my God.
Oh, look at that reflections.
That's for wood chips.
And this was grown in wood chips. So, hey, this might be my sweet potato patch from now on, amongst other places. But this for sure might be for sweet potatoes to start off the season, for the whole season. Straight wood chip bed, people. Let's go. So that's why that one small one came out up in this area when they're growing. That vine there. Don't go too much. I'm gonna come right here because I see vines shooting all the way down to the ground right here. Hey man, lime sweet potato coming up. A nice one. Laying at the bottom. Look, come look, babe.
You're gonna have to dump that dirt.
Yeah, you good. You know, come look.
Yeah, you gotta dump all that out. You're gonna be missing something.
You think this song gonna be fluffed in there?
You don't want it to be none.
They do. They ain't gonna do nothing but grow next year. They come back up next spring. But I see him. Let me get that. I'm talking about, yeah, that's a ornamental. Ornamental my ass. That food. I don't want to mess it up. Give me 1 second. I just want to shovel some of this dirt out here. You know this video might cut off or whatever. I'm bringing you back in. Hey. I got a feeling there's some big ones up and through here somewhere. I don't want to scrape it too much.
Definitely got spiders coming out.
This mug don't want me to get it.
Probably stuck to the ground. It's probably rooted to the ground.
Got him up out of there. This came from the lime sweet potato vine. Look at him, he want to smell it. It's a lime sweet potato, and I say they look like them Korean, so it must be a cross-pollinated something like from that Korean sweet potato. But yeah.
That's huge. Dang, that's almost bigger than that.
Then that other one I told y'all, and babe, you was right. They were trying to grow into the ground. I was surprised something would have popped up. I dig up, there's probably something up in here.
In the ground.
All right. Yeah, them vines going through the bottom. There's probably something underneath. You can see on that little bit right there, man. I don't want to check over here now. I got a feeling I'm leaving something. Let's keep going. Now these vines ain't as big as the other ones. I'm gonna pull them up. One came off of there. Y'all see it right here? That's the one that I pulled up. These was getting ate up real good. Very happy and satisfied with the outcome of this bed back here. Now mind y'all, we put one lime sweet potato vine in here, and they growing underneath everything else. They coming way over here. That vine was right here, root right here. I might have another sweet potato. Well, right here.
Right. Look.
Spider.
Don't get to it.
Hey, that lime sweet potato vine, that thing was growing. Hey, you got them spiders coming out. I ain't got time for that. Y'all see me up here hollering. You know why? Leave it alone. Go. get your ass on, man.
Come on, buddy.
Ah,
He said, "Yo, I thought you was throwing it to me."
I'm trying to
I
eat
wonder
too.
if he'll eat one.
Nah, he can eat sweet potatoes. I don't. It's different with different. They get so many different ones.
Gotta let him cure first.
Nah, you can eat them out the ground. So he really
Oh,
good
I
on
thought
that
they
one.
said you gotta let him cure first.
You want them to cure so they get more sweeter for you. You can eat them fresh out the ground though. Look like I'm running into a lot of skinny vines right up in here. That one big Beauregard kind of. Ooh. Ooh, they look ugly. That's just some of them.
It's a bunch of them.
There's so many spiders in this bed, you know, from the wood and moisture, most insects and stuff like that. Got two more small vines. Oh, shit. Got two more small vines right here. We better pull them up. Ain't getting nothing right there. Let's dig in there. Let's dig a little bit. Broke it, but it's gonna heal over. It's still edible. Ain't nothing wrong with it. That's the top part of it. Hey, you wanna help me dig in there, boy? That's what you trying to do? What you trying to do, boy? Okay, it wasn't that. Okay, hold up. It was decent size. I ain't mad around. Keep it right side. That's gay. I'll see, man. We might have something that grew to the bottom right here too. I want to check the whole bed for real. Think I'm missing something. Not really tripping. We got a good little harvest from this little bed, even the smaller and bigger ones we did get. So for the overall whole season of sweet potato this season, like I said, I told myself I was gonna do better with everything this season, and I did. So we got better harvest of stuff this season, man. Bigger, better, more. So I'm not even complaining. I don't think my lady complaining either. It ain't go down over here. The roots did, but ain't nothing for them. Got a lot of weeds trying to go right over there. Thought you had a potato, boy. I'm finna get on you. Big on you. One more vine, small. And we got one small guy. And them was in there from the jump start, so yeah.
You got a bug by you. It's a cricket.
Spider's trying to come up out of here. I'm digging.
You running by it. Huh.
Trying to play. He's like down that cricket. He want to play.
Look, he look just like that. He won't get it.
Okay, so I'm gonna kind of dig around just a little bit more, and I'm gonna call it quits reflection. Yep, I did.
Yeah, that's a big cricket cat.
Mhm.
Jeez.
All these critters coming out. So if there's anything left, family reflections, I'm gonna just let it stay up in there. We just have some volunteers next season. And I will be topping this off with compost and amending it with the compost and maybe some blood meal, bone meal. I'm about to take these up there. Oh, you was looking at the garden, never mind. But yeah, to the next go round reflections. Let me show y'all this harvest of the day. Nice harvest. Sweet potato. So a lot of homemade things gonna be made with these. I'm gonna let y'all know how the lime sweet potato tastes. But this it, reflections and fam. To the next go round. You know what it is.